Effective home remedies to get rid of chest pain. Chest pain differs from person to person and varies in its intensity, location, and duration. And though it is one of the major symptoms of a heart condition, it could also occur due to less serious issues. When you experience a sharp, intense, and burning sensation in your chest, the first thought that comes to your mind is that it is a heart attack. But whatever the reason might be, you'd have to treat it before it becomes a daily affair. Garlic. Among the various benefits of garlic, the major ones are preventing cardiovascular disease and improving blood flow to your heart. Poor blood flow to your heart increases the risk of cardiovascular disease, and this in turn increases the chances of developing chest pain. Hence, daily consumption of garlic is a great way to deal with chest pain. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is a miraculous plant that offers a wide range of health benefits. It can help strengthen your cardiovascular system, regulate good cholesterol, lower your triglyceride levels, and also reduce blood pressure. All of these help in relieving chest pain. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties help treat heartburn and acid reflux, which are the common culprits behind chest pain. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and mix well. Consume this solution. Hot drinks. Sipping on anything hot, be it a glass of hot water or a refreshing cup of herbal tea, can help relieve chest pain that occurs due to bloating or indigestion. Hot drinks can reduce bloating, aid digestion, and enhance heart health. Basil. Basil contains high level of vitamin K and magnesium. While magnesium promotes blood flow to the heart and relaxes the blood vessels, vitamin K prevents the buildup of cholesterol in the walls of your blood vessels. This helps in the treatment of cardiac disorder as well as chest pain.